Hello, my name's Ian from Bath & Brands, and today we're doing a short video on how to clean your toilet and best practices. These are the tools required for this job. So, tools for the job today will be normal soap and water, household bleach, a household cream cleaner, and I'll show you a small trick with just normal household white vinegar. So, best practice for cleaning your toilet, if you can, remove your toilet seat. Do so, that will keep that out of the way. For general day-to-day cleaning, all you would need to use is soap and water for wiping over your toilet seat, and this includes ceramics like basins and things like that as well. For toilet cleaning, you ideally would want to use a household bleach. This is an abrasive product. You do not want to use the bleach for too long a period of time, and it's very, very important to keep bleach away from your toilet seat. So when cleaning your toilet pan, the bowl, you only want to be going into the sump with the bleach and not around the top of the pan. You run the risk of getting bleach on your toilet seat if you can't remove it, which can damage it, so you want to avoid doing that. So deep into the sump, only leave it for an hour. You don't want to be leaving it overnight and cause damage to the product. If you do get a lot of lime scale that you can't remove, a good trick would be to use household vinegar, white vinegar. Again, pour it into the sump, leave it for an hour, and then clean it off. Right, so with do's and don'ts of your toilet seat, one of the biggest things that you shouldn't do is inside your cistern. You can get aftermarket products like toilet blocks and cleaning blocks that sit inside your cistern in here. Do not use those. They can damage the internal parts of your cistern and will void your warranty. So the tools required for cleaning your toilet seat is just standard soap and water and a lint-free soft cloth. So what you'll need to do, it's just nice and simple. Some models of toilet seats will allow you to remove them entirely just by pressing a quick release option. This will give you access, a much better access to the hinges to clean properly. And all you simply need to do is a light spray of normal soap and water and ensuring that you get a good coverage of the hinges. The key to this here is any residues from your cleaner need to be wiped away and dried properly. The don'ts on this would be bleaches and abrasive chemical cleaners can damage your chrome work and stainless steel metal work like these, which will eventually tarnish them and will invalidate your warranty. So once the toilet seat has been removed, or if you can't remove it, ensure that you can get around the hinges correctly with the cloth on the underside, seat down around the top, around the lid, and effectively make sure everything is dry and before you're finished. So thank you for watching this video. If you need to see any more cleaning videos, you'll find them on our website.